everyone, I am Kartik Upadhyay of class 5th A from Vidya School Gurugram. Today, I am here to tell my experience of Robotics International Competition. The Robotics International Competition in Tallinn, Estonia was an amazing experience in December 2025. After qualifying in top 10 national at Pune in entrepreneurship category with my project Park to Land. This event gathered all the talented students together. Our project Matkakul 2.0 was also an innovative project and I had a blast interaction with fellow students. The opportunities provided were top notch and there were such good competitions. We also enjoyed the culture exchange and learning about the new robotics projects and their coding with great designs. Thank you so much Robotics for such opportunities. Thank you.